Digital marketing, more deals, leads, and income. 5 reasons to engage immediately. As much as I try to stay focused in business and in life, some things you just can't ignore. Digital marketing is one of them. What is digital marketing? Digital marketing is the art and science of getting quality and profitable attention and exposure for products and services on the ever-growing and increasing digital platforms such as Google, YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, etc., while collecting data for maximum optimization opportunities. For example, if your offer is to buy houses from distressed homeowners to relieve them of the burden of a non-producing asset, imagine 1,000 highly targeted prospects seeing an ad on their smartphone that says, "We buy ugly houses." I don't know if it's obvious yet, but this lesson is particularly for you if 1. You are an inspiring and existing real estate investor or wholesaler. 2. You are an aspiring or existing business owner or entrepreneur. 3. You're looking to pivot into 6 figures 9 to 5 with 23 plus jobs and job types available at entry level. 4. You're looking to build a digital home-based business even if you don't have a product yet. 5. You're looking to pick up a digital age life and survival skill for the coming recession. All types of businesses are drowning as we speak because sales have slowed down everywhere due to complacency. The uncertainty is increasing daily thanks to our fast-changing world. I have been able to take advantage of many opportunities since 2005, my graduation year, when I first got exposed to the world of business, and October 2006 when I went full-time as an entrepreneur. Right now, we are at another important junction in our lifetime, and it's important that you pay attention. The more bloody it is financially for most people out there, high gases, inflation, increasing costs, declining valuations, crashing markets everywhere, the more income opportunities are coming out. Digital marketing is a major source of those opportunities for your existing career, business, and journey. In this lesson, I'm going to give you 5 solid reasons why I think that is. So many people have been flashing on the gram on credit, and it's payday for the lenders. What that means for those of us that have been in the trenches of digital marketing is payday too. If you pay attention to my next few words, you too can join the family. Without any further ado, let's count down the 5 reasons why you must engage your business and income with digital marketing starting immediately. Reason number 5, $4.9 trillion in sales. At the end of the day, money only comes from one place. Not from the sky, not from computers, not from mommy, at least if you're an adult, not from crypto, but from people. So if money comes from people, it is important that you pay attention to where people hang out when they are relaxing. That used to be the mall. People still go to the mall, but you and I would agree that not as much as they hang out on their smartphones. I mean, people literally take their smartphones equipped with the biggest mall ever, Amazon, into the poop room. Be honest. There is no day that someone in your household is not receiving random shipments they forgot they purchased while pooping. Exactly. Hence, the $4.9 trillion in global retail e-commerce sales, revenue, and income is growing year over year in every corner of the planet, even in the middle of recession. The question is, what are you going to do about it for your own income? Reason number 4, leads, list building, and more money. All experienced business owners and entrepreneurs know this. No leads, no money. I personally still get tempted all the time to sell to people who do not have an existing relevant relationship with me and my product. What do I mean by relevant relationship? Well, I have a fantastic relationship with my parents, but that relationship is not relevant to my real estate educational products. So the idea of trying to sell it to them has a high chance of failure outside of wanting to just support. Not a good idea of a source of income and survival, right? On these digital platforms, you are able to not just generate leads, but quality and highly engaged leads that you can build relevant relationships with respect to your product and offers with. There have been many studies that show that an average sale is not initiated until around the 7th touch or exposure of lead or prospect to the knowledge of the product or service. What happens presently when they don't buy, join, or sign up for your offer during the first encounter? You lose them for life? So in digital marketing, lead list building is encouraged first because the money is truly in the list. Online lead generation and list building puts your business and income light years ahead of those who are on the outside of digital marketing. Reason number 3, data-driven business. One of the most beautiful and simple concepts I learned a long time ago is the SMART goals. The acronym stands for specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. While everyone is running around mad and lost right now due to declining GDP, digital marketing activities record everything in real time as data in presentable and easy to understand ways. Why do you need that? In case you've been living under a cave, we no longer need to know so much because of artificial intelligence and machine learning. Quite a few people will be left behind in every type of business because of complacency and applying effort in manual and old school strategies. Here's an example. Over here in the East Coast, Tri-State New York Metro, we call it the Easy Pass. You know what I mean? The auto pay lane for the toll gates, right? It used to be 8 lanes with humans and 1 easy pass lane when they were rolling out the technologies in the early 2000s. Now it's the other way around. 1 lane with 1 person, if any at all. Question: what happened to the jobs of those 7 people? Please answer in the comment area below. Well, whatever it is will happen to your business and income if you don't pivot immediately. No one is sitting at home or by their phone expecting your sales pitch call anymore. The data is working backwards for all old school marketing strategies. Digital marketing is data driven and it creates even more engagement data in real time, so we're able to put energy and resources where it's more likely to create more deals, sales, and income. All data, stats, and facts based. Reason number 2, recurring sales. The best customers are repeat customers. With digital marketing, you're able to track people's interest and reverse engineer it to create better offers for them to keep buying. Not just that, you can also use the knowledge of their interest to find millions, literally, of more people with similar interests to build and scale out your business and income. So we're talking about recurring sales, recurring customers, recurring income, and passive income made more possible by digital marketing. Reason number 1, low barrier of entry. Something of this magnitude just 20 years ago would cost you a fortune to take advantage of. The more powerful and resourceful in the world would have taken it over, but their own arrogance against technology is working in the little guy's favor. If you have the time, you can literally jump on YouTube and learn everything for free. But it's important that you also know that free is the most expensive cost of anything. And if you don't believe me, try free stuff for 1 year and then let's measure how far you've gone with respect to your desired results. I promise I'm patient. But if you believe me, we're creating a full semester, 15 weeks of everything digital marketing, on-demand coaching with full 1 year of support. The price is $995. Again, you can learn all this stuff for free on YouTube, but if you have enough experience to know that free will cost you more than $995 in 1 year without support, text the phrase DM to +1 732 517 7532 to enroll in the next class. Also, knowledge and information is free everywhere, but application and optimization in order to actually generate leads, deals, clients, customers, and sales is where you will find my support useful. We're certified with Google and Facebook. Also, we've been doing this full time for 15 years plus for our own businesses. You can see my footprint everywhere online, by simply searching my name on Google. My teaching and coaching style is hands-on but on demand, still for schedule flexibility. Digital marketing is literally all you need to stay afloat in the next recession because it follows the people, the only source of money. By the way, you want to subscribe and turn on all notifications right now because I will be dropping more gems around the topics right here over the next few weeks that you will not want to miss. To support this video, please hit the like button one time.